Hi, I'm Chef Arun Chanda. I'm sitting here at OSHMO, the first steakhouse in Arunachal Pradesh. I've curated the menu for this place. Today we'll take you through few of the dishes in the kitchen which we are going to prepare and plate it for you. And as I go with the menu, the first thing that we are doing is from the starter section. We are doing a bacon wrapped pork sausage. So it's kind of a spicy pork cocktail sausage, which is wrapped in a bacon and then grilled on the pan and served with a very spicy sauce. So that is like a bar nibble and comes in a small plate in a small portion size. The second one that we are doing today is a barbecue spare rib, which is a larger portion of appetizer, glazed with again smoky barbecue and barbecue brown sauce, and it comes with fries and some vegetables along the side. Third thing we are going to do is the taco, which is kind of a Mexican style taco. We call it El Pastor, which has got tangy pork inside it, and it's also a very delicious taco. The fourth thing that we're going to do is the burger. So we are doing a tenderloin burger, a very juicy tenderloin burger layered with vegetables, cheese, served with potato wedges and a side salad. And then after that we are doing a pizza, which is a smoked pork pizza, which smoked pork is a specialty of the Northeast, and we wanted to incorporate that in our menu, and that's how smoked pork is featured in the pizza menu. Then we are doing the main courses, which mostly we are doing the steakhouse specials, which we have doing a cauliflower steak, the first thing that will go on the plate as a main course. And the cauliflower steak is also a unique steak where cauliflower is actually roasted in the oven, and then it is smeared with a nice buttery, creamy caper butter sauce. Along with that, we have some rice and some vegetables. And after that, we have doing the pork belly, which is again a nice chunk of pork belly that we have braised in the oven. And then it is also glazed with bourbon whiskey and barbecue sauce. Along with that, we have potato mash and grilled vegetables. Then we are doing the tenderloin steaks, which is the main feature of the menu. So we are doing two types of tenderloin steaks. Along with that, we are giving different kinds of sauces. Each steak will have a different sauce. One is with the red wine jus, which is very popular and the most classical sauce. And the other one is with mustard and cream. So let's talk about the cocktail menu at OSHMO now. So we have curated the cocktail menu here with a nice array of signature cocktails. Almost more than 15 signature cocktails we have on the menu, apart from our classic cocktails. So the first cocktail that we are going to do today is called Kentucky Sour, which has got bourbon, cognac, apple juice, lime juice, grenadine and egg white. So it's a lovely whiskey sour with a blend of cognac with the bourbon. The second one that we are going to do is called Purple Rain, which has got gin, lychee extract, passion fruit nectar, lime juice, thyme, tonic water and blue pea tea. So it's a double layered cocktail. It's a beautiful looking cocktail also, and it tastes really amazingly well because of the passion fruit and the lychee. Together it gives a beautiful combination of flavors along with the gin. And the blue pea tea of course gives a nice color contrast. As soon as it touches the citrus notes in the drink, it turns purple. So that's why we call it Purple Rain. The next one that we are going to do is a smoky drink, which will be rum and smoke. So rum and smoke has got dark rum and mulled wine together. So mulled wine is again cooked with spices. Red wine is cooked with spices to get the infusions of the spices in the red wine. And then when it is added to the rum, it becomes a totally different thing to taste, and with the rosemary flavor and the flavor of the wine and the flavor of the dark rum, it's an amazing drink. It's a smoky drink, and we smoke it with hickory smoke. The next one that we are going to do is gin and roses. Gin and roses, it's a saffron and rose infused gin, which is we have done the infusions here only. Along with that, we have tequila, rose syrup and hibiscus flower extract. Along with that, we have egg white, and you can say that it's a gin sour cocktail, but it has got flavor of roses, subtle flavor of roses, gin and the hibiscus gives a beautiful red color to the drink. So this drink is also smoked with wood apple. The last one that we are doing today is called Pan Explosion, which has got three different spirits. It has got gin, vodka, and tequila. Along with that, we have muddled betel leaf and rose syrup and mint syrup. Along with that, we have sparkling water in it. So it gives a beautiful flavor of the pan that you eat, the meetha pan that you get in India. And since we have a few dishes, Indian dishes on the menu, we thought we might as well keep Indian inspired cocktail in our menu. So our cocktails have other things, also other features like beer cocktails. It has got nice LITs and nice shots also. So when you come to OSHMO, you will experience a nice combination of food and cocktails, and you definitely order cocktails whenever you come here. And because of we have used a lot of fresh ingredients and local ingredients in our cocktails. Also, most of the drinks are infused with our home infusions. We have our homemade bitters also, and local ingredients and fruits. So welcome to OSHMO, and to try and experience, get a wholesome experience of food and beautiful cocktails.